everyone, welcome to part 3 of learning the loops in Python. If you haven't watched part 1 and part 2 yet, then please watch my 2 previous videos. So anyway, let's dive into how to print 5 lines of 5 stars using 2 for loops in Python. It's pretty straightforward and I'll show you exactly how it works. So here's the code we're going to use. So, in the first loop, for I in range 5 is our outer loop. It runs 5 times, meaning we get 5 lines. Inside that, we have a second loop. For j in range 5, the inner loop prints 5 stars in a row each time. The trick here is this end thingy in the print function keeps the stars on the same line. So after the inner loop finishes printing 5 stars, then this print thingy on the outside moves us to the next line, and the whole entire thing repeats. Simple, right? So now that we've printed 5 lines of 5 stars, let's take it up a notch. What if we want to print 10 lines of 10 stars instead? So here's how you can modify the code to get 10 lines of 10 stars. So all we did here is change both range 5 to range 10 in the loops. So now the outer loop runs 10 times, meaning we get 10 lines, and the inner loop runs 10 times for each line, meaning we get 10 stars. So now when you run this code, you'll get 10 lines of 10 stars each. So the output looks like this. Easy, right? With just a couple of number changes, you can print as many stars as you want in whatever arrangement you need. So whether you want 5 lines, 10 lines, or even 100, you can just adjust these loops to fit in your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Python tips. See you in the next one!